Most Arnott products use high-quality Voss airline fittings. These fittings are referred to by different names, such as push-to-connect, quick-connect, or push-on fittings. Do not remove or tighten air fittings on any Arnott-supplied new parts, since you risk over-tightening or cross-threading. Arnott air fittings are pre-tightened to factory specifications. It may be necessary to remove the airline from the original stock part in order to remove the part from the vehicle, or to reuse the airline with the new Arnott part. Before removing the airline, make certain that the air pressure has been released. Attempting to remove an airline under pressure will potentially damage the airline and fitting, and could even be dangerous. For some parts, you may be able to release the airline by simply pushing in on the fitting collar and the line slides out easily. Others require you to remove the fitting with a wrench. After removal of the fitting, slide the threaded portion up the airline and spread the brass collet open to remove it. Then slide the fitting off of the airline, and the airline should be ready to plug into the new part. To ensure proper performance, quality, and dependability, be sure to install the airline correctly. Make certain the airline end is cut straight and that the airline itself is not damaged. If you need to cut off a small portion, use a tube cutter or a sharp utility knife. Do not use scissors, as they will crimp the airline and restrict airflow. Angular cuts or out-of-round airlines are a major cause of leaks at the fitting. Remove the white shipping pin from the airline fitting and discard. Push the airline into the fitting and press until firmly seated. You will hear or feel a definite click as the airline seats itself into the collet against the tube stop. Gently pull outward on the airline to lock and ensure a secure connection. Keep in mind that the insertion depth to seat the airline will vary depending on the material and size of the fitting. This has been another Arnott Minute.